please watch the whole video if you want to see how I use it. Hi everyone! It's been a while that I haven't done my video. So, ngayon pong araw na to, i-share ko po sa inyo yung nakita ko po sa shop, which I bought. Alright, ladies, I bought this for, $15 for all the set, which is eye and brow collection. Let's see what it looks like on my brows. At saka, kompleto na po siya. May tatlong, ito siya. Tsaka yung black here. At saka, it comes with brush here, angle brush, pencil, liner, at saka yung pang eyeshadow. And please, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para po ma-notify kayo sa next video ko. So, alright.
First, I'm gonna use my primer, Self and Pore and Wrinkle Minimizer. Then, light shade color concealer. Ito yung pang base ko sa aking eyeshadows. But make sure that you blend it well. Now, ang gamitin ko ay Chasing Rainbow's ColorPop eyeshadow palette. Then, ang shade ng Realness ang gagamitin ko as my transition. Then, para sa hollow locks ko at contour na rin, I will use the Prism shades. At para naman sa aking highlighter, ang shade ng On One. And for my eyeliner, I am going to use the Essence Color Black Brown and also the black for my waterline. And for my mascara, I am going to use the Essence Waterfall Volume Intense Mascara. Ito po ay nagbibigay ng long-lasting formula po sa ating mascara. At para po sa aking color corrector, same shades po ng light. At last po, ito na po yung binili ko from Target. Ang gagamitin ko po ay yung light color eyes and brow collections, just to define my brows. And next is yung darker color po na pang brows rin. Now, I am going to use the color concealer light shades para po pang corrector ko po sa aking eyebrows. Para po malinis tingnan. To use Mixin's foundation in shades of fawn. These shades is a little bit lighter on my skin, but I prefer this kasi po the way I talk, I take a selfie, maganda po siya. Tsaka po hindi po siya nagpa-flashback sa camera, which is preferable ko talaga. And for my contour po, I am using the AAA Anti-Aging Foundation in shades of Truffle. Lahat po ng aking video, ito po ay ginagamit ko kasi maganda siya. At saka talaga nagka-highlight sa aking mga dapat i-highlight. And now po, using the Dust Bronze Translucid Loose Powder, ito po ang gagamitin ko as my blush on. This is one of my favorite talaga. I can't live without this. At para naman po sa aking highlighter and bronzer, I am using the Sunstone Pearl Shimmer Shadow Scenes product po ng Cine Jeans. For my lipstick, I am using the Persimmon as my lip liner and beige champagne. Please make sure to follow the instruction of how to apply it properly. And of course, the glossy gloss, to sell your lipstick and protect the color. And voila, ito na po yung resulta ng aking Prom inspired makeup look. Sana po magustuhan nyo ang aking ginawang makeup for today. Nahihirapan po ako nito, but so far okay po ang resulta, which I am very proud and happy po.
Basta maganda siya. So, try niyo lang. Kasi para sa akin, okay naman siya. Pero, hindi ko ginamit yung light color. Kasi nga, I'm used to, liquid concealer. At saka, as you can see pa, sa brows ko, looks natural naman siya. And, wala akong problema. So, yeah. So, all in all, okay siya sa pera. Yeah! Yes, you should try this product. Yes. Hi everyone! So this is the Prom inspired makeup look that I created earlier. So I hope you will like this video, and if you like to notify on my next video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. I'll see you on my next video, ladies. Bye!